film and stuff with the phone. There we go, because otherwise that looks weird. Wow, look at that. That's a lot of chins when you go down there like that. That's wild. Now I know why the kids all go, oh, look at me over here. We're heading out from our undisclosed location past an Orange Julius, which used to be the greatest hangover food at the Center Mall. When I lived at the Center Apartments in 1989, go over get a hot dog in the morning with a pineapple Julius, you feel all better. So anyhow, we're heading out to St. Catharines. I'll let you know when we're closer to the beautiful town of Pelham. We are going through a place that is called, say it out loud?
It was Power Glen.
Power Glen.
It's gone now.
It's gone now, but a lot of people don't know this. In the St. Catharines area, Power Glen is named after the only superhero ever in wine country, a guy named Power Glen, whose superpower was he was an excellent sommelier and could find you a nice Niagara vintage wine. So there's a little tidbit about Power Glen. Okay, so it wasn't recording then. I fucked up. Anyhow, we stopped here to make a phone call, as you can see, because we couldn't find our way. I keep bucking out the recording, but we just stopped here to make a phone call because we can't find the pizza place. All right. I'm gonna ask this fella here for directions. Buddy, hey, we're looking for Pelham. Pelham? No? No idea? Oh, don't turn away from me. That's fucking rude. You know, they say country people are nice. That's just fucking, that's bullshit. What bull? Maybe this guy will give us some directions. That fucking scarecrow wouldn't. Volcano Pizza.
Does he know where it is?
Scarecrow won't help us. Tin Man won't help us. You know what? If we run into a lion, I'm not even gonna fucking bother. Here we go, folks. I'm gonna turn the camera around. We're coming into downtown Pelham. Over here, you have the Fonthel convenience store, the Fonthel ice cream parlor. Now, people think it's pronounced Font Hill, and that's bullshit. Because I went to school. You put a TH together without a space in between them to make it two words. It's the th sound. So, we are in an area known as Fonthel, Ontario. If you think it's Font Hill, fuck you. That's all I'm saying.
Well, we're almost here.
Oh, here we go.
We're
edging up on Volcano's Pizza. Here we go. We're coming into the intersection. There it is, over there. Volcano's Pizza, wings, subs. We're in downtown Pelham.
Or Fonthel.
Or Fonthel. Here we go, I think. And here's the other plaza.
That we're not going to.
That we're not going to that plaza.
This is the turnaround plaza.
This is the turnaround.
I'm sure they have good products though.
Oh, of course they have fantastic products here in downtown Fonthel, in the area known as Pelham.
You can park here, right?
Here we go. Put our masks on because it's COVID. And
oh, there's a, I see.
Here we go. Gonna go get the pizza. Volcano Pizzeria right up there. And then over here we have the sign. Now, 2 seconds ago we thought, it'll be hilarious because that sign is squeaking. Now what do we hear? Nothing. Nothing. Why? Because I thought it'd be funny. So we're waiting for that. He's going to get the pizza. So maybe I'll give you a little bit of history of Volcano's Pizza. When I went to Niagara College Theater Center in 1987, they had a Volcano's Pizza right on the main street in downtown Welland, and we would go get hammered at a place called the Temple Club, and we'd get drunk, and then we would need pizza. And then the pizza we would get would be from Volcano. So when you see this pizza, you're going to notice that the pepperonis are tiny, they curl up, and you get a little oil inside them, like little oil teacups made of pepperoni on the pie, and they put the cheese on last, which is how you're supposed to do it. So here comes Adam, and we will show you the pizza. All right, here we go, Adam. This is our Volcano's Pizza. Hot off the presses. Look at that. See it? Little teacups. Look how greasy that pepperoni is. Look at that. It's still bubbling. Look at that. Oh, I'm glad I brought an extra pair of pants. Not because I'm going to be full and gain weight, but right now I think I just wet myself a little. That's how good this pie looks. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay, folks, here we go. Conservation area. You can probably see the sign if I'm filming it properly. It's still in selfie mode. We're going down this dirt road right here to see Canada's oldest sugar maple. And that's where we're going to eat our Volcano's Pizza. So don't say that I don't do educational things for you on my hilarious channel, because that's bullshit. You're going to learn more stuff that we didn't film on the way back pretending we filmed on the way up because I wasn't using the phone properly. And you're going to see all the amazing things that we saw coming to get our pizza. There went a robin. I don't know if you saw it, but you probably didn't. But I'll be back to you in a minute when we get to the sugar maple, Canada's oldest. Okay, so here it is. This is Canada's oldest sugar maple. And there's a rock over here. As you can see, Pelham Lacac designates the comfort maple circa 1500 AD under the Ontario Heritage Act, June 2000. So this tree has been around since 1500 AD. So look at that, and it was hit by lightning. Look at right there. Just to give you an idea how enormous this is. It's a sugar maple. It was hit by lightning. It's been here since circa 1500 AD. And here we go. Here we go. The comfort maple. Here we put on my narration voice. The comfort maple. This tree, believed to be Canada's oldest sugar maple, Acer saccharum, was accepted for its preservation April 30th, 1961 by the Niagara Peninsula Conservation Authority from Miss Edna Eleanor Comfort, whose family, having owned this land since 1816, she and her late brother Earl Hampden Comfort, to whose memory this tree is now dedicated with gratitude and affection, reserved this plot of land for its protection in 1946. Oh Lord, how glorious are thy works! Which reminds me, I've got pizza to eat.
Please do not climb or hang on my branches. I want to be here.
Yep, should have brought an extra pair of shorts. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh yeah. What's the sign? I am the comfort. I am fragile and very old. Please do not climb or hang on my branches. I want to be here for future generations to enjoy. Thank you. Even our Canadian